Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I built this privacy screen and garden box you see behind me. So stick around, leave a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy. Yo, what up YouTube? Welcome to Tarak Construction. Today I'm going to be building a garden box in this area you see right here with a privacy screen as well. So let's go ahead and start digging a level ground and then start laying out the first row. Alright, I got a nice straight string line here in line with the slab there. And I'm going to go parallel off that to get my back row. I'm going to start with my back row. And the point I can't go past is this fence post right here. So pretty much my number to the back, like 2 feet. 2 feet, so I'll just stick with that. Gotta go down. That's deadly level. So I got this first one level, and I'm just gonna keep going along like this, getting the whole row level, and yeah. Okay, my wrist hurts. I don't know why. There's too much yakking off. So I got the first row all straight and nice and level, and I'm just gonna build on top of that. I also gotta figure out this front row as well, and then those will be the two most difficult sections, and then I could just start stacking my other 2 layers right on top of that. I'm gonna go ahead and spike them in with these 1-foot spikes. So I want the front face of my second row to be flush with this post. So I'll just measure off the string line. I got 6 inches. I'm gonna make sure the tops are also level too. So the top of that one should be level with the top of the other one. Sits pretty close. Oh wow. Not a bad cut. I'll probably sand that up a bit so it's flat, and then I'll put my cut and seal. Fits pretty good. Fits pretty good. Put it in. Oh yeah. Nice fucking tight fit. I've got the first layer all laid out here now, and now I'm going to go ahead and start stacking my second layer, which is going to be my final layer. And now I'm gonna bang out the privacy screen here, starting with my 2x4 uprights. So now I'm gonna go ahead and snap a straight line at the bottom, 1 inch up, and I got my 1 inch spacer right here. This is what I'm gonna use for my spacing in between the boards as well. So I just want a nice straight line to start with, so I'll just measure, I'll use this to mark 1 inch up at both ends, snap a line, and then start throwing on boards. All right, that's the privacy screen in, and with that, this job is complete. Pretty good. I was able to bang out the privacy screen in like 3 hours. So yeah, and yesterday I built the box in like 9 hours, so pretty good.